Finance YouTube is genuinely valuable. Some of the best investment thinking I've encountered has come from a video, a founder interview, a deep dive on a sector, an analyst walking through an earnings call. The problem is that once you've watched it, it's often forgotten about, making it hard to reference any research without remembering a pen and paper to take notes. Hello everyone, I'm Paul from Cassia, and this is the YouTube workspace we built to help with this. The process is straightforward. Paste in the URL of any finance video from YouTube, and Cassia pulls this transcript and gives you the option to save it to your personal document library. The video is now a searchable, referenceable research asset. Every insight, every number, every name mentioned, all now findable. Once saved, the transcript lives in the Your files, alongside your other documents in Your files, along with PDFs, filings, notes, etc. It's part of your permanent research archive, not just something you watched and then forgot. And here's where it gets really useful. To the right of the transcript, you have an AI create an article, look at their investment theses, and carry out basic analysis, all with accreditation, using the transcript as your source. Then, if you would like to dig deeper, take this transcript into Cassia Research tab and ask questions about it. Look at specific insights, challenge the theses the speakers made, and test it against the published company data. By doing this, you're combining what an expert has said with the market and what the company is actually doing. That's a research workflow that we think is really powerful. Save any finance video as a searchable transcript, build a personal research library, and combine it with live market data in an AI conversation. That's what the YouTube workspace enables. We're continuing to develop this feature, so if there's something you'd like to see added, please do reach out. See you in the next video.